So let's learn some more text formatting tags in HTML. Write hello world, save the file. The output is now hello world. Let's write another hello world, add a break tag and write hello world, save the file. Now we have two hello world in the output. So let's assume I want to make this world text a little bit bigger than this hello text. So how will I do that? To do that, write the opening big tag before the world text and write the closing big tag after the world text. You can see the world word is now bigger than this hello world. Now let's say I want to make this world text a little bit smaller than this hello text. How will I do that? For that we have the small tag, so write opening small tag before this world text and write the closing small tag after the world text. Save the file. Now you can see this world text is smaller than this hello text. Let's understand another important text formatting tag, which is the pre tag. For that, let me write two more BRs, means break tags, after this hello world sentence. So we have three empty lines. Then write a hash, then tab, then write a $sign, then two tabs, write 8. And if you save the file, you can see the prettier does not allow me to add more spaces between these symbols. So no matter how many spaces I add in between these symbols, if I save the file, the prettier collapses them. And in the output, the browser also collapses the spaces. Now let's say you want to control the output according to your format of the code. So how will you do that? If you write the opening pre tag stands for preformatted tag, and write the closing pre tag after this. And if you save the file, you can see we have spaces before this. If I add more spaces between this and save the file, you can see the output in the format in which format we wrote the content. So this pre tag actually tells the browser to render the content in a format in which format you write the content.